What the heck is she doing? I'm like constantly paparazzing Pepper. He's so cute. Hold on, I want to try something. Oh, maybe it's because she's a little dog. Well, I want Pepper to have puppies, so I want to adopt another dog. Oh wait, can we? Or adopt pet from shelter. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, then call for services because your thing's busted. Oh, okay then. Tiger Lily. I want a male dog. It's a much small dog, but he's piggy. He's lazy and destructive. Luna. Destructive. Most of these are destructive. Repairman, yeah, I want to call him. What's wrong with the baby? Okay, go change your freaking diaper. Because I changed her room a little early. That doesn't mean... Toss in the air. Oopsie. Tickle. Snuggle. Bond with your stepdaughter. Because her mom left. No, she won't stink when she goes out. Okay, what's wrong with me? She'll be such a good mom. Even though she's carrying a baby right now. Yes, I want to sell the newspaper. Here, let's put the diploma right here. In the room. Why not? She's gonna age up soon. She has a lot of bond with her stepdaughter. Go here. What? What the heck? Where is she going? I did not tell her to go there, but let's just go there for the heck of it. Jeez, stop carrying the baby around. I don't know what is with her. Put Alex down here. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, Pepper. Okay, we could have done that half an hour ago. Whoa, did she get bigger? Jeez, I'm not sure how much... That baby could have done that a while ago. Okay, I'm not sure what Ben's doing. He's working independently. He wants the game. Sorry I'm speeding this up a little bit, but I kind of want to have her birthday already. Even though I don't want to do that whole cake nonsense, because then everyone wants to grab a slice of cake. It just drives me insane. Probably more prego now. Oh my gosh, she almost like looks like she's having twins. The computer with all the flowers. This poor baby is just like sleeping on the floor. I would sleep on the floor if I was exhausted. No. Okay, what's wrong? Stop galloping now. Pepper's not even in here. Oh. Oh, Pepper. Oh, she's friends with her little stepdaughter. It's nice. She's gonna age up any minute now. Actually, probably when... Yeah, there we go. She should be aging up now. Sorry, this on speed 3. Just I wanted to stupid grow up already. Whoa. Look how pregnant she is now. Oh well. No, I want her to go upstairs and go to bed. And I'm not sure if they announced if Bella's having a foal yet. Take a shower when you wake up. Oh, she was probably gonna age up soon. I'm sorry, I keep saying that. I'm just waiting for her to age up. For her to go to school and stuff like that. I'm not gonna I'm not sure if, like, some people ask me in my mailbox going, can you make Alex a bitch like her mom? And I'm just going, I don't know, maybe we'll have Alex be more the sweet girl. And people were asking, going, if you do make her mean, can you make her a snotty cheerleader in high school? And I just said, sure. So, I have no idea what I'm gonna make her. Alex is yet to be determined. It depends on how she grows up. If she grows up. And pregnant lady sleeping upstairs. That's nice. Oh, would you grow up? Yes, I know you smell. But you're gonna grow up soon. And in Sims 2, they actually learn from playing with the blocks and stuff like that. Oh wow, she has nothing in common with her dad. And her mom, she hasn't even spoken to. She has like more in common with the stepfather. I really like this horse. Oh my gosh, there's a stray dog. Pepper, go play with it. Friendly socialize. Let's socialize with it. Maybe you can get puppies out of the stray dog. Oh, it's going away! Dang it! Alex's birthday was a long time ago. Oh, I hate these stupid... Thunder has galloped enough to earn long-distance racer. Okay. It's funny how sometimes they sing in the shower. Okay. Well, she's kind of looking good. Big baby belly. Oh, at least she's friends with everyone except her horses. Oh no, eat the hay. I've been in love with horses ever since I was little. And he goes out in his boxers. Nice. Oh, I didn't realize she had a stubby tail. It's so stubby. I like the way they did the anime horses. They did them really good. Oh my gosh, she's gonna sleep you out here again. Okay. Okay, and none of them are taking that for granted. Oh my gosh, is she stinky again? I thought she was stinky. Oh, well, she's really pregnant. Oh, sorry, I should play it, but hold on.